Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download a resume on LinkedIn. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in linkedin.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official LinkedIn website where you can log into your account using your credentials. After logging in, you will be taken into the homepage from which if you wish to download any individual's resume, then you will need to first find their profile. You can use the search box to look for the resume that you want to download by searching their profile, or if you already are connected with this individual, click on My Network and you can find them within your connection or following and followers section. Once you find the profile of the person whose resume you want to download, click on the More option from their profile and you will see the Save to PDF option. Go ahead and click on this and now their CV will be downloaded right away. You can open this file and you will see that this file contains their entire resume. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download a resume on LinkedIn. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.